So you're working in Fusion, and when you drag it, the first step is just way too big. Hey, Tyler Beck with Tech and Espresso. So what we're talking about today is a tool or a setting that controls when you drag that first step or those increments, right? And where else this shows up is also in angles. So we'll try the move copy. I'm going to select this whole body. And then I go to the rotate command. Same thing. When I turn it, what is it turning by and what increment? You can see it's turning by 5. Maybe that's too big, or maybe yours is turning by 15 or jumping 2. So let's go down to our increments. And this is where we can set both those linear, the thing we saw in the extrusion, and the rotation. Maybe you want to do it by 1 degree increments, and you want it in this case to work in 1 millimeter increments, or for it to actually just be adaptive and be intelligent, right? So based on the size of your model. The adaptive is probably the smart way to go, but in this case, I'm going to extrude now. When I extrude, these steps are so much smaller, it's so much easier to work with. And another area where this plays in nicely is the push-pull, the Q command. So when I'm dragging an edge and it's doing a fillet, if you do have a reasonable increment or an adaptive increment, it's going to drag nicely as opposed to basically over fillet the object from the first start of the pull. Hey, if these videos are helping, hit that like button, hit subscribe for me. I'll see you in the next video.